Hello children, let us start with yet another word problem on fractions. 1/3 of the 6 dozen fruits in a fruit seller cart are apples. That means there is a total fruits of 6 dozen in a fruit seller cart. In that 1/3 is apples. If 1/4 of all the fruits are oranges and the rest are bananas. So that means they have not given us the fraction of bananas. How many dozen bananas are there in the fruit seller's cart? We have already learned, children, that a whole complete circle represents 1, right? So if in this there are 1/3 apples, okay, in the fruit seller cart, 1/3 is apple, 1/4 are oranges and the remaining are bananas. So we don't know what is the fraction of bananas, but we know that this whole circle represent 1. So we can do addition. 1/3 plus 1/4 plus x will give you 1. So I will fill here 1/3 fraction apples, 1/4 of fractions is orange, and the banana fraction is x, and this total will be 1. So let us solve this. Fraction of apples plus fraction of oranges plus fraction of banana equal to 1. Now we have to take the LCM. So it is 3 4s are 12. So 4 plus 4 3s are 12. So 4 plus 3. It will be 7/12 plus x equal to 1. So x is nothing but 1 plus 7/12 when it goes that side minus 7/12, and after taking LCM you will get x is equal to 5/12. So now here you have got fraction of bananas, and here you can write instead of x, now you have got the missing fraction. It is 5/12. And we also know the number of fruits in total, it is 6 dozen. And they have asked how many dozen bananas are there in the fruit seller cart. How many dozen? That means they want numbers. They have not asked us apples. They have not asked us oranges. They have asked us only bananas. And now we have the fraction of bananas. So 5 by total of the total fruits will give you number. So you can write 5/12 of total fruits. And how much is total fruits? It is 6 dozen. So 5/12 of will be replaced by multiplication, and total fruits is 6 dozen. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So it is 5/2 dozen. And when you do division, 2 2s are 4 and your remainder is 1. So it comes to 2.5 dozen. So the number of bananas in the fruit seller cart is 2.5 dozens. So you can write 2.5 or 2.5, both is right. So in this way you can solve this. Bye.